Welcome to Wissen-hub channel. We are an interactive e-learning platform with a mission of making tutorials and how-to videos accessible to everyone. Subscribe to us to get more content. This tutorial will show you how to integrate Sendgrid to your Zoho CRM. Please suggest any tutorials you need in the comments and we will be happy to post a tutorial. Today, we will show you an example where creating a contact in Zoho CRM will automatically trigger a welcome mail via Sendgrid API. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Sendgrid account and create the template as per your requirements. For now, we will use this welcome template that we created earlier. Once the template is created, go back to the home page and you will see a template created in the transactional templates field. Copy the template ID as shown and paste it in the Word document. Once you've pasted the template ID, go back to the Sendgrid account and click on Settings. Then click on API keys. Now click on Create API Key. In the API key name field, type in as per your requirements. For now, we will put it as Zoho CRM welcome email. Choose full access and then create and view. An API key is created, which is an alphanumerical key. Copy the key as shown and paste it in the Word document. Click on Done. Open a new tab and log in to your Zoho CRM account. Here, click on Settings. In the Developer Space tab, click on Functions. Click on New Function. Type in the function name and display name. For now, we will type in the function name and display name as Sendgrid Integration. Choose the category as Automation and click on Next. Here, you will be greeted with a white screen. Copy the code from the link given in the description and paste it in the blank space as shown. Copy the contact ID as shown. Then click on Edit Arguments. Paste the contact ID in the parameter field and the select type should be chosen as integer and save it. Now paste the API key that you saved in Word in the row 8 after the word that says bearer as shown. Then in the parameter variable, we need to edit a few information like subject. You can type in your email subject, but for now, we will put it as welcome to Wissen-hub official. Then change your reply and from email addresses. Type in the email address from which you would like to send emails to your contacts. Now copy the template ID from the Word document and paste it as shown in the Deluge script. Click on Save and Execute. A pop-up window appears asking us for the contact ID. To get this, open a new window, log into your Zoho CRM account, Click on Contacts. Choose any existing contact. Copy the URL ID as shown. Now go back to your previous tab, paste it in the contact field. Click on Save. In the console tab, the function should be executed successfully. Click on Save. Now, let us start with the automation workflow. To do this, click on Settings. In the Automation tab, click on Workflow Rules. Click on Create New Rule. Choose Modules as contacts. Rule name should be Email Automation. Click on Next. Here, a dialog box appears asking us when do you want to execute this role. Choose on a record action. Then click on Create and choose Next. The condition 1 asks us which contact would you like to apply this rule. Choose all contacts. Then click on Next. Here, in the Instant Actions rule, click on Functions. Then click on Functions again. Here, choose Sendgrid integration that we have created earlier and click on Configure. In the Values function, from the drop-down, choose Contact ID and then save and associate. Then click on Save. Now let's see how this works. Go to Contacts module and create a new contact. Type in the first name and last name. And the email address. And once we click on Save, an email is automatically sent to the contact's email address. Here is how it looks. Go to your Gmail account. So this is an email sent via Sendgrid. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell icon for more updates. Thank you.